Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today, we're breaking down one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, compound interest. You've probably heard the phrase before. Even Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, but what does it really mean? And more importantly, how can you use it to grow your wealth even if you're just starting small? By the end of this video, you'll understand how compound interest works, why it's your best financial friend, and how to make it work for you, not against you. So, let's keep it simple. Compound interest means you earn interest on your interest. It's when your money starts making more money, and then that money starts earning even more. Imagine you put $100 in a savings account with a 10% annual return. After 1 year, you have $110. In year 2, you earn 10% not just on your original $100, but on $110, giving you $121. It might not seem like much at first, but here's the secret. As time goes on, the growth speeds up. Because your returns are also growing, not just your initial amount. That's why people call compounding the snowball effect. Once it starts rolling, it gets bigger and faster on its own. Let's see how time changes everything. If you invest $200 a month at 8% annual growth, here's what happens. After 10 years, around $36,000. After 20 years, about $118,000. After 30 years, nearly $300,000. You didn't triple your time, but your money grew almost 10 times bigger. That's the power of compounding. It's not about how much you invest. It's about how long you let your money work for you. The earlier you start, the more time your snowball has to grow. So how can you use this power in your own life? Start early, even small. You don't need thousands to begin. Start with what you have. Time does the heavy lifting. Stay consistent. Make investing a habit. Automatic contributions. Make sure your money keeps growing without emotion or delay. Reinvest your profits. Don't cash out your gains too early. Let your returns stay invested. That's where the magic happens. Avoid high-interest debt, because compound interest can also work against you. Credit card debt grows the same way, but in reverse. Think of compounding as a force, neutral by nature, powerful by design. It will either build your wealth or drain it depending on how you use it. The key takeaway: wealth isn't built overnight, it's built over time through patience, consistency, and compounding. When you combine time, discipline, and reinvestment, even small beginnings can lead to incredible outcomes. Thanks for watching Grow My Saving. Remember, don't just work for money. Let your money start working for you. And in our next episode, we'll talk about the power of consistency in investing, how small, regular steps can make your future unstoppable.